Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin inside settings because app-level protection relies on screen time and built-in locks. This is faster than third-party apps. First, make sure your iPhone runs iOS 16 or later and you are signed into your Apple ID. Then tap Screen Time, set or enter a screen time passcode, and enable content and privacy restrictions. Once done, toggle on the restrictions switch so you can control app access and require authentication. You now apply protection to individual apps by leveraging app limits. Tap App Limits, add a category or select specific apps, and set a short limit like 1 minute that triggers lock behavior quickly. Make sure the option to require your screen time passcode is active so the app can't be reopened without authentication. Also check Always Allowed and remove any apps you intend to protect. Otherwise, they bypass the limit and remain unlocked. You finish by testing. Open a protected app, use it until the 1-minute limit expires, then try to reopen to confirm the screen time passcode prompt appears. If the prompt doesn't show, restart the iPhone and verify screen time settings. Sometimes toggling content and privacy off and on fixes sync issues. If you forget the passcode, go to Settings right arrow Screen Time to reset it using your Apple ID. Make sure Find My is enabled for recovery options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.